Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the currency on BlaBlaCar. First, open the BlaBlaCar app on your phone. On the app opens, look for the profile icon or the menu button usually at the top or bottom of the screen. Tap on it. Tap on account. This is where you can change your app preferences. Inside the account, look for currency. You can now list different currencies. Scroll through the list and choose the currency you want, for example dollar, euro or pound. And right now I am from India and here is Indian currency. Once you select a currency, the app will automatically update and shows all price in that currency. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video useful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.